Hey friends, if you have a double ball staff and you got it from Mike Romiski, it's likely you have two double ball staffs because generally he sells them as a pair. When I first began engaging Mike to build clubs for me, I asked him if he could make these double ball staffs to my specifications. And of course, he said he'd give it a try, and we came out with some really nice ones. So then it was up to me to figure out all sorts of great moves to do with them. So let's take a look at a simple way to get started using two. So I'm assuming you've already started with one. If you haven't, start with one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to bring the clubs straight out, over the shoulder, and straight out and down. So we'll just do a few of those to establish that we've got that motion. Let's do two more. Now, actually we could even do this just as a single. We could go out to the side and down and back out. Then a pair. Then put that package together. So, I'm going to let you see the same thing from the side. So here's if we go forward. Here's if we go out to the side. And here's if we put it together. And then let's finish it up with taking a look from the back. So this little sequence of doing the forwards and the reaching out to the sides, doing the lateral swings, are perfect ones to get you started with two clubs or two double ball staffs so that you'll be able to do more advanced maneuvers. And I'll just show you one of the advanced maneuvers that you'll work up to as sort of a bonus and a goal to reach. So this is what I call the full flow salute. And what you're doing is alternating as you do a full flow salute, but when you're doing it as an alternation, you're doing both at the same time. As opposed to one, you go ahead and do two clubs at the same time, but what you're doing is alternating them. So it's even more complex than if you were doing them at the same time. So, good swinging to you. Make it fun. Take your time. Put the video on slow motion. You'll be able to understand what I'm showing you much more easily that way.